I think. There's one. Nope, wrong thing. Okay. Hey, Rip. What's up? Hey, Rage, how are you? Are we all ready for this? Am I ready for this? No, I'm not ready for this. Do you know why? I can't see anything. Now we are ready for this. Rage, how are you, by the way? Come on, let's go. Come on, damn, high life. Hey, Nox! Hi, Nox. Sorry, I haven't seen you in a while. How are you? Are we all ready for this? I think we're ready for this. Do I have all of my life together? Probably not, but we're gonna do this regardless. Okay. I feel like I need to like streams as well. Hey David, how you doing? How's it going? Wakey, there we go. Getting my multi-chat. There we go. Working. Silver Bullet Trader. Hi, I'm doing good today. Mayonnaise, oh good grief. I forgot about that. Good grief. Noxy. Well, on the plus side, guys, I can go a little bit more. I don't want to say crazy. Let's not say crazy. Crazy is a bad word. I don't have to be so... I don't even want to say scared, but essentially, let's say scared. Because no matter what happens, whoa. What the heck is this? Sorry, I only saw this now. What is this? How is this? Is this right? It is right. How is this correct? Wow, that's a massive... That's massive. That's all I'm gonna say. That's just massive. What the heck? New daily opening gap indeed. I haven't seen a new daily opening gap this big in a while. This is going to potentially be our point of interest. Whoa. Okay. Let's do this. I don't remember what this is for, which means it's probably not valid, so I'm going to delete it. Oh damn, it did not take out Asia Low. Let me mark all the correct things, right? And then I will come and respond to everybody. But happy Friday, by the way, guys. Happy Friday. How is everyone today? Plans for the weekend? This is going to annoy me. Do you guys have cool plans for the weekend? Maybe that's the better question. You're gonna be doing super cool things. Rip, that's what she did. Seriously? Rip and David, you guys are on the same wavelength today, and it's scaring me. The AI bubble is popping. Nox. Hey, Boom, what's up? How you doing? Morning, everyone. Hey, Dino, how are you? Yeah, he said Donnie. Where the heck did Donnie come from? Anyways, hey, Dino, how you doing? How you doing? No? Friends? Friends quote? Am I the only one that likes Friends? No? Okay. Sorted. Okay, New York low marked, New York high, wee, is up here. Still has not taken out these highs. Okay, and now let's mark out Asia high, Asia low, and then we are ready to rumble. No, we're not ready to rumble. Do you want to know why? Because I have not marked out the 3 a.m. opening price yet. We cannot disappoint Rip like that so early in the morning. And into the bloody bob level we go. Okay, I think we're ready. Dino, you know what? I cannot complain. Denure? Hi. What do you call a dog with no legs? I'm scared. It better not be a bad joke when it comes to animals. Jokes about me, whatever. Jokes about animals, I will fight you. I'm just saying. Do not pronounce. No, I saw David. I saw. Green Globe Exploration, top of the morning to you and Merry Christmas. Should I go get my Santa Claus earrings? Are we doing Merry Christmas? Are we doing Merry Christmas theme day today? Hey Bob, good morning. Nearly bedtime? Dino, what's the bias for today? Well, I mean, I want to say my point of interest is to fill this freaking end dog, but new daily opening gap. But let's wait and see. I also have not checked the higher time frames yet, so I don't want to be lying to anybody. And let's mark out 3 a.m. open. Nice little bounce injection right off of there. Okay, let's wait and see. Hey Scalper, how you doing? Afia Gaming, what up? Sir Bull? Hi, welcome, how are you? Okay. I am cool. Thanks for subscribing, hello. Cool name, by the way. Hey, Unknown, what up? How you doing this morning? Sorry, I gotta say hi to everybody. Good luck with the possible trades. Thank you, Wade. I appreciate it. Wade, how you doing? We have to sell everything. Laura, you're in a small buy. Laura, aren't you done though? Don't you have your $500? Are you not calling it? Got home for last week. Yay, David! Okay, that's good. Ethiopian, yesterday I told you to buy gold. Is gold going up? Hey, call me Atise, Carl. And I could say hi, Carl. Hey, Carl. What's up? Perez, Ricky. Hi. No, I'm heading for my next 500. Oh, okay. Okay, got it. But have you, like, locked in your 500? Does that make sense, Laura? Sorry if maybe that's a silly question. All good. Terrible weather here today. Terrible in what way? I feel some people have different definitions of what terrible could mean. Entry up. Sorry, can we see the focus? The focus is on today. I'm here to focus today. Well, that's the hope anyways. We never know with my brain. Could go one way or another. Took something off. Traders now risk-free. Duck paid. Rip. Whoop whoop. What the heck, man? So quick. Amazing. Going to see what London don't have any direction so far, right? You know, yeah, okay. Some ugly price action, I agree. No one answered about my little Santa Claus earring, so I'm assuming it's a no. It'd be boring. It's okay. It's okay. Do I know Perez, Ricky? Do I know Jess? No, I don't know Jess. 500, take it out and restart with 1,000. Oh, okay, Laura. Okay, that makes sense. I'm at 106.6 right now. Oh, David. Marketers chopping DJ. Honestly, this is not ideal price action for today. Well, no, I say that. We've just opened up. You know, things maybe it just starts slow. Dag nabbit. What is it? Potential entry. I did have a quick call with someone earlier. Them explaining some different concepts. So if I look like I'm trying to, I don't know, if it looks like there's steam coming out of my ears, it's because I'm trying to see and understand. It's always interesting to learn different ways. I mean, again, the more you know, the better you can trade. But it's also to not get overwhelmed and start making silly mistakes because of it as well. It's quite a fine line. It's quite a fine line. The moody mind, hey. Wait. Wind is howling and it's raining heavy. It's like a storm. Wait, can you send it this way? Out of curiosity. Hey, Steven, what's up? It is hot here today. I'm hoping it gets a little bit better. It's supposed to be like 33, real feel 36 degrees here today, so I'm not too excited about that. Hey Frank, bonjour, how you doing? Pulp Fiction, hey Pulp Fiction, how are you? It just really lowers my risk until I'm better. Sorry but that's awesome, and if it's working for you right now, then that's amazing, well done. Sideways market after touching 20-day, look back high and over 100 point open lower. Austin, how are you by the way? Justin G, hi. When Perry starts meowing, I'll be shocked. What about large gap fall from last night? Laura, are you asking, you wanting to see it take out the end dog? Is that kind of what you're saying? You want to see it pull this end dog? I don't know if it's going to do it today. I mean, it could very possibly, but is it going to happen during London or New York? I'm curious to see if this works out, but I want to say, oh, I was a tad bit too late for it, but no, there just weren't enough confluences yet. It is what it is. I woke up on the right side of the bed today, so we're good to go. Markets have been sideways in the daily as well. Austin, not here though. Market is working on finding the next direction, and since it's Friday, business is looking to get finished up for the weekend. So Austin, I can't remember, I'm trying to think back. Do Fridays tend to be a little bit more bearish? I don't think... Well, that would have been a loss. Glad I didn't do that. Let's see. Rip, where do you get quacked? Wait, yeah, go on. Send me the song. Oh, where am I based out of that it's that hot? I'm in South Africa. South Africa can get hot as hell. I mean, it's not even as bad. I used to live in a place called Hoedspruit. I don't know if you heard the hardy-dar, they're so loud. I used to live in a place, whoosh, please, thank you. Used to live in a place called Hoedspruit. The temperatures used to get above 50 degrees there. Let's pick just one person for a period of time to learn from. This will help you more. There's so much information thrown from. That's fair. Trust Fridays, like you trust someone in I mean, Bob, that is the best. Wait, that goes on to Bob quotes. Where's my Bob quotes? I needed to go on to Bob quotes. Bob quotes. Bob quotes. We need to have a Bob quotes day. Bob, do I have permission to post some of your quotes on YouTube? I need your written consent right here. Do I have permission? Yes or no? Moving on. Wait, I'm a black coffee person. Yes, I am. It's interesting, Price hasn't even revisited the new daily opening app. Could it maybe be, this is just me talking, could it maybe be that it might want to take out Asia lows before proceeding back up to take out Asia highs and pulling the new daily opening gap? Fridays tend to trade back into weekly range. Oh, okay. Is Monarchs okay? Sorry, I don't know if you guys saw that. Dang, Monarchs, are you good? Do you need a hug? I think he needs a hug. Rip, there's so much information from different sources thrown at you, it really doesn't help. No, I hear you, right? But let's say, how about this? I'm gonna, this sounds bad. I'm going to overwhelm myself a little bit. Maybe it's a bad idea, maybe it's not. Maybe it works amazing. I'm gonna overwhelm myself a little bit, but surely if something then clicks and I can use it to make, maybe number one, improve my strategy, or number two, just make the probability higher. Yeah, like I said, I really, I'm not saying I haven't been taking trading seriously, obviously, I've really been trying to learn, but I want to really now sit down and focus as much as possible. Trust Friday notice. Reflection check. Jared, what up? How are you doing today? Hot as hell, hey? I stopped making that noise in the back. Lasagna. Boom. I see someone woke up feeling extra sassy today. Sassy molassy all the way. YouTube, Darren, which trading company? What do you mean by that? Bob said no. No, he didn't. Hey, Bob said sure. Bob told me via our letter. Are we in Hogwarts? Are my dreams coming true? That would be so cool. Hogwarts would be amazing. Overall trended bullish. Did you have a good strategy moment? It's worked the last few times. You say that I had a loss yesterday, but that was because my brain was not in the right space. But it's okay. Start by seeing how you would have went by. And just stop loss. Okay. So Bill, you're saying let me place this again, correct? And you're saying if I had bought here, let's see if it taps into TP. The difference, so Bill, I hear what you're saying. The thing is, and maybe it's something I do just really have to sit down and properly backtest and find the correct entry for when is the correct moment for this potential for our trading strategy. So I've kind of gotten the correct moment now with my 1 to 2R, right? And sometimes this 4R works like a dream. Hogwarts is a dangerous school. I mean, not if Harry's not there, then we're fine. Sorry, now the nerdy part's really coming out. Oh, thanks for all the new subscribers. You guys are making me nervous. Do you know what this means? The more subscribers, the closer we get to quote-unquote a 24-hour stream. Oh, I'm gonna suffer. Y'all are gonna see a dark side of me. Kashin, what's up? Oh, thank you. Connor, man, I'm selling people a line. What do you think I'm selling? Am I selling things? Oh god. Would be nice. Be making more money. I don't see no loss. Thanks, David. Shout out to David for all the donations. You're amazing. Stefan, hi. Jared, super hot, unfortunately. That's a big cup of coffee. And for those on Discord, did you guys see that adorable coffee mug with the lucky duck on it? I think I need to go get that printed. And I think that needs to be my new coffee mug. I'm just saying, it looks amazing. But yes, Jared, it is super hot. And yesterday, like I said, as most of you guys know, because you were watching yesterday. Number 1, sorry about yesterday. Whatever, moving on. Today's a new day. Not the right headspace, so I didn't even ride the horses yesterday, and it was such a perfect day to ride. Which means I have to work them today in this heat. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Everything will be fine. Looking back at the last couple of times the daily went sideways, it's because for a little and then finds its next direction with strength. I think a good trend will be coming soon. I mean, isn't it the whole you know, AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So right now it's accumulating, but then obviously we have to watch out for potential manipulation before the distribution phase. I'll give you one winner if you take it. Ooh. Mr. 420 UK, I'm trying to understand what you're trying to say. Are you saying you're gonna say buy or sell here and I take it, and if it's a win, I'm very confused. What you trying to... Hey Lance, what's up? I hope my future wife trades would be perfect. I think Lance, I've noticed trading not such a... Where do I put this? I don't understand why there's not more female traders. Put it that way. Unless they are and they're just not that common. I don't know. It's very interesting. Wait, 24-hour stream when? When I hit 8k subscribers. I probably won't do it like the next day. I will probably plan it for Friday. And, you know, so that I can sleep in on Saturday. But then I'll probably do like Friday, start Asia Open, end New York close. Like I said, it won't exactly be 24 hours. It'll be close enough. Stefan, how many years do I have? Are you asking how many years I have left to live? Gosh, hopefully not that many. No, I'm joking. Ooh, that was dark. I'm joking. What happened 9th of October 2023, do you know? Charlie, I'm South African. Anthony, you think buys? I used to like Harry Potter as well until they started speaking that snake language, then it became weird. Aaron? That happened in like the second movie. Anyways, morning guys. Hey Lurk, how are you? Stefan, teach Maya trending. Sorry. There's a lot coming on. When you read silently, you aren't actually looking at being on the page. You are hallucinating a voice in your head that belongs to no one. Can I do a bit of a psychology mind bath, right? Let's say you're having a lazy day. Wow, this price. Okay, well, I mean, it's perfect for me to start talking rubbish with you guys. Let's say you're having a lazy day, or you know you need to clean, or whatever the case may be. Whose voice do you hear? Is it your voice, or is it your parents' voice that you hear yelling, you know, nasty things at you? David, there's a bunch of people. Nope, David, that does not count. Hey, Romello, why did your message go away? Hi Romello, what's up? You're also from South Africa? Welcome, welcome. Trading is not easy. Seth, that was cute. Oh no, sorry, the only the one went. I'm still watching to see this kind of. This sucks. Rip, are you still in this trade? Wow, this price action is... Wait, let me see. Pulp Fiction, hood spread? What about hood spread? Wait, we want to see horse riding. You want to see horse riding? Oh, I don't know if I still have the video. Do you guys want to see... I don't... For me, it's funny. A funny video of me falling off. Long ago, but still. Look, David, my bicep is literally that big. How big? Mine looks like Hermione, but at least the TV. Oh, Jared. I'm trying to decide if I'm offended or not. Apparently I'm the Temu version of Emma Watson then. Alright then. Sorry. I need to live. Trading is sucking the life out of me. Once. I mean, right now, yeah, this sucks. Oh, wait. And now we go back down. Opened with big gap and sideways movement. The New York session recovered the gap. Ooh, okay, Dino. Thank you. Sorry, I obviously was not trading back then, but... Clapping is literally repeatedly hitting yourself because you like something. Yeah, and making noise about it. Lifting weights, not so much. I mean, I did exercise this morning. Do I look big? I didn't lift weights, but still. Wow. David, I've never said that a day in my life. I am a nice person. Hey, cool Caleb, what up? I apologize. I do see I've missed some messages. If I have missed some messages and you want me to respond, please just resend. Many apologies. Sorry. There's a lot coming through today. It's awesome, guys. I'm assuming it's because the price action is just so ding-dang boring right now. I don't know where the ding-dang came from, but we're going with it. But, yeah, this is not great. We have done literally nothing in 30 minutes. We have gone solidly sideways for the past 30 minutes. How big are these candles, by the way? Let's just use this one for now. Like 5-point candles. Ugh. Emma Watson is the teamer, Maya, David. Yeah, that might be pushing it. Yes, we want one where you push off. We don't. Where you fall off, we know you survive. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna have to now try to find, just to make you feel bad. No, no, that sounds mean. I'll find the one where I fall off because I think it's funny. I like did a handstand. Anyways, it's fine. So fun fact. I don't know if it's such a fun fact, but fact, I've actually had a horse fall on top of me and then stand on me while trying to stand back up. That was a whole situation. Luckily, I just had a bruise from it, but you know, horse riding can be quite interesting. Lance, I used to go to gym but stopped a while back. Mind, body, and soul all need attention. I'm just all in on learning to day trade this NQ market viciously. I mean, Lance, do you take breaks between learning? BYBZK official, what up? Theatre Kid, hi! Welcome back, how are you? Andrew Brown, hi! Kool-Aid, I used to go to gym and I realized people are mean, so I made a home gym. Kool-Aid, it took you that long to realize people are mean? No, that was mean. Wow! I'm so sorry. That was nasty of me. Yeah, listen, I do miss going to the gym. Not for the people though, I'm one of those that puts like my earphones in and I don't talk to anyone, and I have a bit of a resting bee face so no one ever approaches me, which is perfect. So I do miss the gym, but I've been working out at home and that works perfectly fine. Add fasting to the mix, like 2040, that's a game changer. The sharpness, you get 20 hours into fasting. Lurk? No thanks, I really like my food. Warm? Buffet? What up? Lies, mind you body shaming. David, don't take this wrong. I've never seen your body. How can I body shame anyone? I've never seen your body. Hello, no, sorry, Precious. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What type of trading do you like? Scalping. Andrew Brown? Is that what you were asking? That's what I do. Yeah, what I do is scalping. The day trading, scalping. That's my thing. To be honest, I haven't exactly looked into swing trading and investing, but I do scalping. It's a London session. Don't get stuck in the chop. No, Rishav. I'm sitting until the chop stops, so I guess if we have to sit here the whole day, well, the whole day, not the whole day, but you know, sometimes it does this for the first, hour, and then we get some decent movement, so maybe something good will come. Wait, whoa, sounds like you're indestructible. Hell yeah. I don't know how. I like to just think I'm still bouncy. Maybe when I'm old I'm gonna start to break, but for now I'm still, I bounce. Not gonna lie, I was in sales early and closed because of an SMC on the 50-minute. Ah. Anthony, you got in on this? Where did you get in though? If you got in up here, then that's not too bad. Okay. Nope, may have butchered that. Moving on. Cool Caleb, can I hire to make trades for me? Cool Caleb, that would not be a great use of your money, because I would probably lose it. Because I'm not profitable yet. Just saying. Wait until you get pinned against select. I mean, David, that would be quite bad. Sounds kind of funny, but quite bad. Sorry, who's it? Anthony. In on, I still think until 643. I mean, 643 is a shot. Like I said, what I predict, just in my opinion, and I'm definitely not always correct, is that it might come take out Asia low before continuation back up to go grab that end dog potentially during the New York session. Again, I could be wrong. Baby star, you stay short. You stay short. You say short. Anyways. You'll really love your food after 20 hours of fasting. That meal hits... Lurk, I can imagine. We're literally stuck inside an Asia session. I missed. Where is that? There we go. Range. Jared? Nope, not Jared. Who said that? Ah, it's bouncing all over the place. I'm so sorry. Only True Trader. There you are. I'm so sorry. Only True Trader. Did you say hi and I didn't say hi back? I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm gonna... I saw that comment that was deleted. That is hilarious. Is Netflix a good buy right now? OG Life? Sorry, no idea. Anyone know anything about that? Is Netflix a good buy right now? Shaddy, what's the time frame? I'm on the 1 minute. I should probably go check the higher time frames, to be fair. Let me go do that now. Jose? What up? Baby bears? Hi, how are you? I think it's neat to document your process through streaming. Has the chat been kind and respectful to you, or do these men harass you a lot? Lon? I've got the amazing community people. You'll see there's a few mods. you gotta have a few mods because, you know, there are some interesting characters. We'll leave it at that. There's some interesting characters. They're very interesting and entertaining, but what's the catalyst to make you think this way? So you're not disagreeing with me, but you're not agreeing. We're getting major rejection or resistance on the buy side. Nope, nah, I'm spewing. I don't actually know. Rip. Am I incorrect in thinking that way? Because it appears that we tend to consolidate and then push down, and consolidate and push down. So I think we're going to potentially consolidate, push down again to take out Asia low before going back up. Or accumulate, or whatever you want to call it. Again though, I could be very, very wrong. We are just stuck in a range right now, so I mean there's not much going on in general. But did any of that sound a little bit correct? Rip? No? Don't there. Wow, Rip just yelled at me. Okay. I've missed a bunch again. I'm so sorry. Give me a second. Mike G, what up? One simply cannot predict the market, but only speculate. That's exactly. That's why. Okay, so maybe I should, instead of saying predictions, I should say my speculations. Unless I have tarot cards here. Somewhere. I don't know where they are. Should I bring out some tarot cards and see if the tarot cards can predict this correctly? How funny would that be? Maybe I'll do that on the 24-hour stream. We'll bring the tarot cards out and see if they work. If they do, new trading strategy. Mr. Panda, any wins you missed? No, sorry, I've only been on for like 40 minutes and this is literally going sideways. So nothing exciting. Look, I appreciate that, thank you. I don't know, we'll see. Only True Trader, teach Maya merch. What, you think that'll be a good idea? I don't know. I don't know if anyone would want any Teach Maya merch. I really like that little Ducky Duck mug though. I thought that was adorable. Netflix is on a dip. I like it under 100, under 90, no brainer. Oh, there we go. Okay, Lance. YouTube, Darren, what's up? There's so many things. And just watch your confluence giving you that direction. Okay. Darren, Knox. if you have no system telling you we go down that whip, it's very risky to put your money behind that, right? No, but that's exactly right. Rip, that's why hands off. I mean, we created equal highs before a push down. Now I'm now just reaching for an explanation as to why. So, hands off until I know. Who deleted that? Maya, can I gift you a car? Hell yeah, I want a car. What car? What's the catch? Wait, maybe I should ask that. What's the catch to getting a car? Hey Shady, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Corey, what are my superpowers? I don't even know. Hey Jules, welcome! How you doing? I'm trying to, I'm looking. I am looking. Are you a witch? Isn't the tarot card like a witch? No, it was a cleaning out. It's where I got all of these weird and wonderful books from as well. Yeah, my one friend's gran was all into that, and then she passed away, and they were like, do you want these? And I was like, yeah, this looks like fun. Let's do this. I think most people in chat trading key futures. This is a late hour on East Coast. Lance, there's a bunch of different traders. How do I put that? I don't even have ES open right now. Oh damn, ES is pushing up. Well, this sucks. Okay. Rip, yes, that's 100%. Sorry, answering Rip. We are going sideways, yes. No clue so far as to where price should go. So we wait for some confluence to trigger, yes. Wait for... The distribution. Tarot cards are fortune telling. I don't know. They just. Anyways, Nox used the tarot cards. Any mods in the other stream? David? Yeah, tons. Jared, you're a Slytherin. Absolutely not. I'm a Hufflepuff. Have you met me? I'm a Hufflepuff all the way. Rip was right. Look at the 15-minute trading. This is just a no. Hey Jules, are you did you join this stream? What's up? How's it going? Please don't give me any tips. Don't worry, Breezy Block. I won't. Ethan, what's up? It's okay. Don't have an explanation. You will not always have one, but when you say should go to Asia low or high, okay, why? What makes you have that one price? Oh, Rip, is that why you are? Oh, just from previous observations and forward testing in general, and someone mentioned it the one day, and I thought they were kind of talking rubbish, but it does tend, not always, I can't tell you the exact percentages, but it does tend to take out Asia low and then go seek out Asia high. Just from what I have observed from the past, or vice versa, either takes out Asia high and then seeks out Asia low. But in general, in the past, I have noticed that it tends to do that. Once it takes out Asia low, again, not always. If I had to give a percentage, let's say 60% of the time, it takes out Asia low and then starts searching for Asia high, or vice versa. So that's where I'm getting that from. And the last 2 times I said it, it did exactly that. So that's where that comes from. Again, I'm still kind of low-key forward testing that. I say forward testing, just observing it right now. But I hope that kind of makes sense. Hey, Killstreak. Any trades today so far? No, sorry. Hey, Bonnie? Bonnie Tobias. I hope I said that right. Hi, welcome, by the way. Nox, do you even know how to read the card? No, but I mean, that's what Google's for, right? Right? Where are they? I need to find them now. Okay, I'll go on a hunt to find them, but you best believe that 24-hour stream we're gonna be playing with some tarot cards for fun. Is this Ubisoft stocks? No. This is Nasdaq futures. Mike M. How are we doing today? We good. Accumulation. Okay. Watching carefully. It did take out this now, so let me just wait before I get excited. This could just be manipulation, and then it goes back up to the buy side. See, I don't like where the sell is. Where my sell stop. Sell stop. Where my stop loss is on this one. However, I do have 1, 2, 3. Damn, actually, this is not the worst trade. Shoot. I mean, I'm not a big fan of this wick, but it has... Let's see if it respects this fair value gap. What time is it as well? Let me check the time. Okay, it's not 4 a.m. yet. That is above. We have the shelf here. Respect here. This might be a decent short. Thanks everyone here. I don't care about the way you trade because this is not a prices dynamic. Shift the probability at certain events. Yes. Tarot card strategy. I mean, the iron. Can you imagine it works? Huh. It's gonna push back up for a tad. Is it just retracing, or do you think it's gonna push up properly, Mike M? Yeah, that strategy is called the London sweep. Is that a thing? Huh. Thanks, Jules. Appreciate it. I'm so sorry. I do see I've missed a lot. What happens at 4 a.m.? Kill streak, no. Then I just mark out the 4 a.m. and then it helps with, again, I don't want to say predictions. Gives you percentages. Reputation and distribution. Hey, hey! Awesome. It's just a part of the story always. There are other things, catalysts that shift the story the market is telling you. Only true trader, remember, don't focus too much on the 1 minute. Yes. No. Look has me interested. Just gotcha. Hey, what's up? Oh, do we have... Okay, wait. I feel like I might potentially miss this, but... Okay. Let me check out the 15-minute quickly. Oh, there's this really nice fair value gap on the 15-minute. A little bit of an imbalance here, but I guess this little candle here respected it slightly. $15-minute. This is low-key just going sideways. 1 hour. Sorry. Hour. Wow. Awesome sauce. Now, whoopsies. Looks like a pancake. Well, now it looks better. But is it going to continue higher? Was this just a manipulation? Damn, are all the mean people out today? Yes, my goodness. David, you have your work cut out for you today. Hey, opulent family, what up? How you doing? Hey, Mullah, what's up? Yeah, honestly... My greatness! All the meanies are out! What is happening? Why do I keep seeing this? Exactly. Kill streak, you don't have 3 screens, but different time. No. Wow. Katie, touch grass, why? Hey BW, how you doing? Okay, so still you feel like it's going down. Why? Honestly, only true trader, they're working extra hard today. So many messages keep getting deleted, yep. And you can see how many bands in the last 5 seconds. It will retrace. It looks like it'll continue up. What's the time? Where are we at? 5 minutes to go to 4. Okay. I mean, the sideways movement is just garbage. It's just garbage. Didn't quite respect these levels like I wanted it to. Did fill this imbalance. And it's still pushing up on ES. Sure, Mike, here we go. Is that better? Rip that. Why? I would always ask that. Thanks for the help. Rip, and if you can't explain easy enough, they don't understand it. Remember that. True. The liquidity zone here. Part of me wants to have way too much fun with you, David M. But anyways, nope. Be nice. Be nice. It's not necessary to be mean. Oh, I could be mean though, but moving on. I'm just gonna start auto-banning people. Boone, how are you doing, by the way? I saw you had that amazing freaking day the other day. Well done. Oh, that reminds me. I'll message you. What's an inside joke about it? See a buying candle, it's potential trade. This is the 5. So, Jules, correct me if I'm wrong. 1, well, I guess 2, 3, but this is not 4 yet. Or did I miss somewhere else? I feel like I missed somewhere else. Bullish support from the past breakthrough levels. And on the inside, does anyone have actual profitable day traders they know in real life? Never encountered. Oh, Lance, literally, if you want to join the Discord, you will see plenty. Literally plenty. Nice to take out these. Sorry, I'm low-key forward testing today, which I know is not ideal. Way more fun if I get trades in and lose, but in this freaking snoozeful of price action today, this is going to annoy me so much. Just behave. Nice. Okay, Jules. So now we're waiting for 4, which should be technically above here, correct? DJ Clark, has it been a profitable week? DJ Clark, I'm actually not sure. I want to say yes. It might be closer to a break-even week for me this week. I haven't checked. Actually human in real life. Are we not actual human beings in real life? Hey Tyson, what's up? Lance? Laura, you're really seeing the buy? Huh. 1 and 3 was a bullish reverse S&T. Yeah, Rip, I'm also like, what does real life mean? Being profitable is also different to certain people. For some, 3+ months of consistency is profitable. For some, it's years. Huh, nice. I can zoom in. Smart. That's draw some subs in for sure. Smart. That'll draw some subs in. No, the small pullback was the 5. Oh. So I got it. I got it. Maybe I should have listened to my original plan. I don't know why I didn't take it. I even said it had 3 confluences. Let's see if it would have hit TP. I think it's because ES is very much pushing for the bull right now. Looks like your buy candle's forming now. Jules, this is the entry for the buy. Never mind, did not hold the level, no entry. Spread the wealth. You know someone who's 18 and bought a 90k Corvette last week? What the heck, man? Been around since day 1. Crooks is spinning up. No. I think, yeah, I mean, how long did he trade? Tyson, they were on point, by the way. What the heck? Those levels were on point yesterday. But maybe now at these lower support levels buy in stage 1. Lance, I don't know if you have Discord. If you do, you're more than welcome to join. Look at what I'm on, the 1 minute right now. Oh, I hate the chop so much. Oh, that would have made me sad. That would have made me real sad. Is it full? Oh, here's full. Wrong one. Oops. And the hour should take out the lows. Should, being the keyword there. Okay, I'm gonna pop this trade back up. Still out of curiosity. This is why we just don't trade in the chop. The chop sucks. My strategy does not work really well with the chop, unfortunately. On 5 candle, what time frame? Fact that ES is pushing for higher highs, but NQ not means that Nasdaq is weaker than ES. Very rare day today. Why rip? Which part? Can end now bullish. In all honesty, I'm hands off because I feel like anything I do right now is not gonna work. That maybe that's me being a negative Nancy, but in this chop fest, Killstreak, why do you got 2 live streams? Because I'm amazing. No, I'm joking. Wow. Don't be so arrogant. Well, now you're in the awesome zone with Maya. My game double bottom. Her wolf? Lena? What? My game, this chat has said, oh, sorry. It is and isn't. I can see you there. True sideways action. I can see it popping up. Hey, Baron. Well, I'm not in anything right now. Did I take the cells then? Tyson, I was not at my PC at that time, unfortunately. But we scammed 5% less traders actually are profitable over their full career. Mike, because Maya's focusing on trading. The iron, you should wait for breakout and retest. Again, I'm kind of sitting and waiting. Because this shush, man. Sorry, these Hardy dolls are extra today and they're so annoying. But this double bottom looks promising. Wait to be patient and sit on hands. Not easy for most real. Lance. Wait, Lance, are you a trader? Sorry, out of curiosity, yeah, sorry, just with the questions you're asking, I would have maybe assumed not, but... Yeah? Question mark? Are you? So, you know what they say, when life deals you lemons, make a lemonade stand. Yeah. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Laura, this is a sucky day. I mean, low-key nice to see my initial plan. Well, ES. NQ is a whole lot weaker than ES today. Oh my gosh, this might actually put me to sleep. This might be how I die, watching this price action. This might be it, guys. You're gonna witness, whatever the heck this is today. Maya reminds me of Dipsy from Why do I remind you? Like, what? What? How? What? Celestial, that threw a curveball at me. Explain, please. If anything, just avoid the chop. 100%. Nice to know that my initial idea would have been working out, though. Right? To a point. So maybe I should have just said duck it and taken it, but we're trying to be disciplined. Trying being the keyword. Tech has been moving horribly. Oh, spread the wealth. That kind of makes sense. Distribution direction. Today we're currently accumulating, so would wait to see where price manipulates to determine distribution. Hey Baron, I'm on Project X using top 1 futures. Marking out your high time frame imbalances above and below consolidation. Then take trades 1 manipulation is confirmed. AMD at play. Yeah, Tyson. This is definitely AMD, but if it does take out the Asia lows and then goes to the Asia high, why do I never take these trades? I said it like 3 times that it looked good. But it was choppy. It was choppy. It was choppy. It was not worth it. It was choppy. There we go. Done. Never mind. Ignore me. It could have very easily hit my stop loss. Well, there's Asia low gone. Cool. Hey, Karate Chicken Chop, what's up? Supposed to be just Guitar Guy, not the other day. I don't know how to fix it. Sorry, Guitar Guy, I don't know what happened there. Hello from Brazil. Hey, welcome from South Africa. Factor swept out that low. Makes that trade spread the wealth. That's true. That is true. Is this what stop loss hunting looks like? Kind of. Nox, yeah. Was smart to not enter. Thank you. Shine? So I'm not profitable. I'm not here to pretend that I am either. What's wrong about support? Whoop whoop. Silver bullet, baby. Oh. Celestial, nice. You were responsible. Thank you. Thanks, David. There it is. Asia just got taken by force. Yep. Literally. Don't pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Nox, why do you keep saying that? You're making me low-key nervous, and I want to go punch my curtains for a minute, but you know, NQ very well could trade into a price gap created during the day open, but still everything ICT changes gives me creeps about ES and NQ. DJ Clark, explain please. No, Shine, not profitable yet. Oh, yeah, no, that's fine. So, Shine, I've only should expect to enter to buy side now. For our inverse fair value gap. No. What was I gonna say? Oh, so Shine, I've only been trading since April, so I'm still pretty new at this. Alexa, hi. I only trade longs. Shorts are very scary. Really? So you only trade the longs? Interesting. Celestial, and you are done. Pay the duck something here. Yeah. Wait. Rip, did you get in on the short? How? How did you get in? Wait, when? Huh? What? 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 Guitar guy? Hi. No, yes, you did. You fixed it. Well done. Thanks, Celestial. It's nice to know I had the correct idea. It's nice to know I had the correct idea. I will leave it at that. Now, so say there's an inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. Let me check the 4 hour quickly. Press shift instead of enter like a chop. Okay. Respect this. Don't know enough about those to confirm or deny. Well, it definitely took out the lows, Rip. Rip, look at the framework. What about the framework? I've been trading 1+ years, still not profitable. Yeah, see, Shine. It's rough. It's not an easy journey, but I think you just have to continue sticking it out. That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Got that, took out that, okay. Back up. It is a very useful concept to stop spot manipulation. Vote you should go check my food for me. David, do explain how. We would like yesterday. Beauty of trading and trade what we see. No, that's true. Tyson, that is valid. What is the Bob Zone? The Bob Zone is Bob's secret sauce. The zones are on freaking point sometimes. It tends to trade zone to zone. Not always, but they're quite, like here, you can see it didn't quite trade zone to zone. But sometimes it literally just goes zone to zone to zone. And they never go away. I haven't learned how to do it exactly. I haven't learned them exactly, but Bob zones are definitely a point of interest for me. Bruh. I got stopped up, but it was worth the risk. Oh, that's fine though, right? Things happen. Do I think it'll go up now? Laura, a lot of people are saying yes. Buy side profit target is 26104. I'm sorry, what? Tyson, did you mistype that? 26104. To this level, are you sure? That seems hectic. Can you see the... what's it called? The cogs turning today. Does anyone from SA trade Apex accounts? Are we allowed Apex accounts in SA, Muller? I think that's the next question. Apex 19 off starting, flash sale before FOMC. Especially when something yeah, doesn't Dix, I can't even begin to explain. Before close and to do the direction. You just didn't trust it. So the fact that it closed below, RIP, correct me if I'm wrong, the fact that it closed below the 3 a.m. open was a hint that we should potentially be going to the sell side. Yes? Seven or 4 buy side liquidity turn up during AM session. Damn, Tyson, that's hectic. How long do you think you're gonna hold that for? To be honest, I've been trading Forex and to be honest, I'm profitable the last 2 months. The version between correlation has been the thing. 26k today for NQ. Yeah, Lance. Well, that's what Tyson thinks, right? 7% the time is right every time. And listening songs not in mood to stretch graph. What's the 5-minute and 15-minute doing? I'll show you now, Mike. I'm quite taken out by a bob level. And 15. Sorry, I don't know if you want me to zoom in or zoom out a little bit, but gives you an idea, I guess. $579 or 58. No, 578, 579 might be a good point of interest. Okay. I can't believe it would have missed tagging me in though. This would have missed me by a point if I had entered. If I had entered. No more saying that. I'm sick of saying that. Start freaking entering, honestly, Maya. In a pick at a huge SMC, this is gonna be a fun move. So you think this is gonna be a huge move to the sells? Oh wait, no, there. That 207 level. Okay. We still got quite a far way to go though, right? Unless I read that wrong. Hey JS, am I selling or buying? I'm trying to see if this was manipulation to the sell side before a buy. So I'm still new. Hi, welcome. Look at the equal lows at 455. At 455. Oh, damn. Oh, that is quite juicy. You think it wants to go all the way down there? What? Okay. No more saying if. No more saying if. Hey, Sean, am I South African? Yes, I am. Earnings were good yesterday and enough liquidity was taken on sell side. Ooh, okay, Tyson. Market will just be filling orders today to take the buy side liquidity, then possibly end the day in red. Skeletor, that was good. It took me a minute. As a prop eval reset. You're right, it makes no difference. Whatever the heck happens today, happens today. Not getting into a trade could be I guess, but yeah. David, no, that drink was amazing. Skeletor, I loved it. A minute time. Grant hardened mindset. Realize I didn't say hi to you, but it seemed to time from too low to sound directional bias. DJ Clock, but I did check before. When did you hop on? Yeah, Rip, careful. Careful, don't mess with David. Was a better entry than this one. Would have been the correct one, but still. Shoot. Never mind. I just didn't look far enough back, and that is what it is. Okay. Between ES and NQ. Market will just be filling orders today to take buy side liquidity and possible. Okay. So was that now just it? Wow, ES is a lot stronger than NQ today. Moving on. Hey, Ricky! Hello, how are you? Kid fishing, how you doing? Good morning, everybody. Setting up for the huge SMT. Let me check something again. Two, okay. For the buy side. Everyone's kind of leaning towards the buy side now. Oh my gosh, it's already nearly half past. How is it nearly half past already? Used to date an artist whenever she got sad, I would let her draw on me. I gave her a shoulder to. I lost money on trading info to quit Dragon. Good, thanks. Applies to your Instagram, send you a screenshot made. Oh, thanks, Ricky. I'll go have a look. Kid, no, not yet. I missed a good entry. Well, yeah, I missed a good entry earlier, but it is what it is. I mean, it's not a. I missed 2 good entries. This also would have been a win. Oh well, it's fine. DJ Clark, ES and NQ will sell heavily, mark my words. ES has to take Asia low, still Tyson. That makes sense though. Okay. I want to see if it respects this Bob level. That's where we are at right now. I want to see what it does here. Let me go back and see something. A little bit hard to see sometimes with regards to... Oh, sorry, I know I'm being so quiet today. I apologize. 1, 2, 3. That was a very menacing growl. Why are you growling like that? Doesn't normally growl like that. Okay, moving on. That was a very scary growl. Moving on. Next week will be horrendous. DJ Clark, why do you say that? I was about to hit all-time high. I wonder what it would do. Damn, Gaurav, damn. You good, bro? I swear don't show me. Good fishing. Yeah. I'm learning a lot. I appreciate the Queen of Stars. Jose, you're so sweet. Thank you. Grazier Gazi. I'm from South Africa. Where are you from? 012 Haji. I'm using top 1 futures currently. Known guy, you think it's going up? How does trading... what a broad question. Like, do you want the simple answer? The not so simple answer? Trading, you buy and sell things. Boom, you trade. So DJ, that's why. And that's why I say next week is going to be horrendous. Well, our time frame is made a higher high yesterday and NQ didn't. Okay. I'm up. Check it out. Unknown guide. Nice. Greetings from the Netherlands. Hi. I'm back from South Africa. How are you doing? Yeah. Okay, it didn't quite tap in where I wanted it to. How big is this? Just do it. Makes no difference. Just do it. Hey, Jared. Welcome back. How was the trading today? Well, didn't get any trades and I missed 2 trades. Oh well, it is what it is. Boop boop, run will be done in 10 points. Nice. Trading is like sailing. Andrea, explain, please. Maya's FOMO live. Hey, Celestial, don't be mean. But yes. Got a little scalp on NQ making $720. That's not a little scalp. Guitar guy, what the heck, man? That's a rather large one. Just saying. Hasn't hit the point of interest yet, though. If it retraces back up, it could be good. This was my point of interest on the 15-minute time frame as well. down it goes. Nope, down it goes. Damn it. About to hit my point of interest. There we go. Shoot. Ah, man. Couldn't have gotten in anywhere over there. Of an NQ making. Okay. Jared, there is never not a learning curve. Never not. Let's not use double negatives. There is never a day where there is not a learning curve when it comes to trading. Just saying. Looks like it's about to run down another leg. Tapped out the value gap. 720 is a great. Honestly, I'm sorry, David. 6 tap. Wait, it's still setting up. Jules? J-Song, is this live? Yes, it's live. What's up? How you doing? Now we wait for... So ES took Asia low, so now we wait for the setup. Lukey. Potentially a shift to the bull now. DJ, you think down to 400? Wow, the conflicting things going on today is ridiculous. I always mark the high of low of Sunday open to midnight. Looks like we tap the low of Sunday before we see any kind of resistance. Does this always work? Unseen work? Jason, welcome. How you doing? I'm sorry, David. Man. Dragon, I lost $200 on trading. I'm sorry, Dragon. It happens though. Am I predicting it? No, I'm speculating. I'm not, I will never say, well, I said it earlier. I did kind of call it with the Asia low being taken, just saying. But no, I'm just speculating. Jason, I'm in South Africa. MNQ is dead. What? It was dead earlier, now it's had a decent freaking push. I mean, how big is this? I say that, watch this be a teeny tiny little move. Yeah, nearly 100-point move, that's not bad. Manipulation, distribution. Cheers, Celestial. Enjoy. Jason, what's up? Marvelous Aura, you think it's going to continue to sell? Previous day first presented, fair value gap tap. Get it back up now for the retest of the fair value gap. How big is this? Except for the fact that it has indeed taken out Asia lows on ES now. Level to level potentially. 15-minute. Fill the gap. I know everyone's saying buy. Well, not everyone. I know majority are saying buy right now. I'm having a look at something, and maybe it's a mistake. But you know. The 1 hour. Sorry, I'm gonna blind you guys. My bad. People might want to tap into here. Okay. Back to the 1 minute. We go. I promise you if I use the wrong range now. Let's see if this continues back down. When you make for a day. Jared, am I streaming at... Yes. Yes, 4:15. I was like, what time? I'm so used to using New York time now. They call Maya the Wolf of Wall South Street. Gary G, that's hilarious. Getting chopped up during New York session, even with massive stops. It's just been so vicious lately. Oh, Lance, I'm sorry. Evan? Oh, don't worry, I'm still learning. I need to raise so many bands. A minute, there's a small 90-minute AMD with it. So you're a multi-millionaire by now. Hammer worst? I freaking wish. No, not even close. Well, I call it a scalp because I hit my TP so fast. I mean, that would do it. Five, 6, 4 is a place where you want to see rejection. Why? See, sometimes going to the higher time frame screws you, because if I'd used this stupid range, I would have gotten into this stupid trade and I would have been in the green. Sorry, I'm just being salty. Don't mind me. This was the correct range. Oh well. That being said, I had 1 confluence. Yeah, no, wait, 2. I mean, 2 confluences is not ideal though. I'm in a good habit of avoiding the chop. Iron, if you're gonna come at me with logic and facts, I can't argue with you. So yes, you are 100% correct. 100% correct. I do opposite of what majority is saying. And how often does it work for you, DJ Clark? Lebahan, you think buy now? That's literally how my markets. Bro, I've been in the cell. Well, aren't you just a cool kid, Boom? Look at me, I'm Boom. I'm always in the amazing... I'm joking. Well done, Boom. I'm a jellyfish right now. Get it? Jealous? Jellyfish? Jealous? No? Yes. Amazing. France real time is what time is in South Africa when 9:30 open begins? 4:30 p.m. Lance, yeah. Friday markets are getting closed, don't expect much anyways. What would I do if I became a millionaire? To be fair, most likely... Hey, damn, Rip. Okay, what time is it? No, it's not even as... Well, there's that rejection you were looking for. Why that level? Was there something special there that I didn't see? Oh, there was a fair value gap. Ah. Okay. Got it. Quite a big imbalance there. One, two. That was quite a large fair value gap, and it is bouncing off of it solidly. What the heck, man, Rip? You little lucky duck, you. Oh, what would I do if I became a millionaire? Most likely invest quite a bit of it, live off of the interest, I guess. But if I had to, like, use all the money, horses. Horses are expensive. Just rejecting fair value gap again. And we'll go down. Damn, this might be a buy candle. I nearly did something super cheeky. I nearly marketed in for a sell because I was like, screw this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Find your discipline. Find your discipline. Find your discipline. And just start taking the stupid trades. Maya, what the heck is wrong with you? I think I expected a little bit more of a bounce off of that fair value gap. It's off the charts. The why? Alejandro, that sounds a bit scary, but sure. Let's make money. Maybe we're buying long today. Yeah, well, you think we're going long now? When? On the 5-minute inverse. Need to crash before New York session, so it's like 11 AM for you now. That's such a difference. Yeah, Lance. Literally, it is 11:45. It's nearly 12. Aw, thank you, SVG fan. Would have paid the bad lesson. Yeah, it's fine. It's... No, it's still... rejecting a little bit. Okay. That was a very interesting comment to make there. Yeah. What is wrong with me today? Yesterday I was taking everything. And today I'm taking nothing. I swear, it's like one extreme or the other. What time is it? No, B model. Short's getting paid now. Jason, honestly, Lance, that's how it always works. Oh, thanks, Jared. See you later then. You are agitated. You need to calm down, but you're right. I'm better than yesterday, though. Just saying. Much better than yesterday. Need to just start trusting the process again. Yeah? Yeah. Maybe the weekend came at a perfect time. Start Monday fresh. Anthony, I am in the process of learning that. Oh, David. We don't understand if we want to talk to people about the market. Rely on your intuition. Mike M, gonna go back up, retest to 0.5. No, Rip, don't agree with him. What is wrong with you? Don't agree with David. Took out this low. Damn, you called that solidly, Mike. Not rejection. WTA. Rip. Rip's a magician. I'm learning this counting thing, if you will. Hey Andre, what's up? How you doing? Mr. Martini, big jump coming. Natessa, did you make any money yesterday? Jason, I lost some money yesterday. Unfortunately, it's fine. It's part of it, right? 5 gold sheep. Oh, nice. Hey Chakra, what's up? How you doing? Apparently this might be a potential level. Or might be a buy coming up. Sorry, deep focus now. Apologies. Three, 4. I'm sorry, I know I go real quiet when I focus. Is it just gonna go back into this fair value gap? Potentially, let's see what it does on ES. Is it gonna respect that fair value gap and continue back down? Isn't that lovely? If we pull back, I would take a sell at the 5-minute fair value gap, 620 price level. Jules, like I said, hi! Hello, what's up? What's the matter? So this is 1. Okay. Okay. But then you are correct. The 5-minute could be a potential entry level before we go back down. I don't know who this number is. It's fine. Maybe I've made it too high. Ugh, it's fine. Let's see. Towards 5.5. Isn't that lovely? so stuck with your initial buy, so I'll switch to even the market tells you. I'm assuming you'll grow out of that in time. Andre, what's up? Why are you sorry? What happened? If you don't me, I'm Mike, draw fib from the start of the leg to the low point. And that high was 2. Seriously, this is 2? I was hoping 2 would go a little bit higher. In all honesty, Jules. PP midnight open. Lowest 1 minute candle. Ugh, man. Jules, I was hoping it went a little bit higher before it went down. For number 3. Because then it would have been pretty good. Kind of forming an inverted head and shoulders. Mike M? A little bit, hey? No! No, I liked it as an entry, but never mind then. Stuck? What? Oh, cool. Take it as it's bad, and that's why David deleted it. We act on 5. Yeah, I know. And I'm running out of time here. How frustrating. Okay. These markets are wild. There's so many things you can potentially learn. It's ridiculous. Futures trader 2557 before bounce. Really? You think 2557 before bounce? I was calling, girl. I know it's a highlight. How did you get my number? Also, it was a South African number, so... What's happening? And new sessions about it. Right? But he's not, I'm not in a trade. So, yeah. We don't chase price. I know we don't. Archimedes is long or short bias. I think it's about to swap to a bullish bias. Don't worry, DJs. Oh my goodness. Murph, how's the gambling going today? Well, definitely not gambling. But anyways. I think we'll swing back up to that fair value gap. Archimedes, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How are you? Welcome, by the way. Always so many different methods to master. It's a bit wild. let's do this. I don't know what we're doing, but let's learn. Always learning. And we're just going sideways again. Micros, Archimedes. I'm trading micros, especially because I'm still new. Murph, I take it as you're not a trader. Archimedes, oh, thank you. Yeah, so I'm still a new trader. I've only been trading since April. I say only, it feels like it's... Yeah, April's coming real quick, guys. Baby Star, you say short again. Roshan, hi. How you doing? Sorry, give me a second. There's hooting going on. I'm hoping it's not for me. I'll be right back. Anyways, someone was lost. Batismo, I'm new to. Yes, I am. Which program am I with now, Roshan? I'm still with Top One. I'm with Top One Futures. How's it going, by the way? I'm with Top One Futures. Murph, I think 99% of people fail for a reason, yes, because they give up when it gets too difficult and they don't push through to become profitable. Murph? Yeah. Tomorrow just long. Ricky, no, I've not. I've been being a little bit more conservative. Let's put it that way with regards to my trades. So I haven't been getting as many trades in, which is not a bad thing, but like I said, obviously I missed one winning trade here. This I think would have missed me by a tick. That would have sucked. But it is what it is. Oh, thanks, Murph. I appreciate it. YouTube Darren, welcome back. Why don't you up your risk protective? I should, right? That kind of was the plan for today. And then it was super choppy, and you know me, I don't trade in the chop. This one, like I said, I didn't actually place it. I should have placed it, but anyways. I didn't place it, and I think it would have missed me literally by a tick, which would have frustrated me. And nowhere else did I get an entry, so it is what it is. And now we're kind of sitting and waiting. Made up. Thanks, David. Tomorrow, Ricky? So I could push it. But luckily we're still here for New York session, right, Ricky? So maybe that's the plan. New York session, we can be a little bit more, I don't want to say crazy, because crazy is bad, and obviously we don't want to mess with the discipline we have worked so hard to achieve. And those two things can make money. ICT is, in my opinion, because you can make anything work on a time frame. Hey Simba the Lion King, what's up? How you doing? Raj, you think bye? Interesting name, by the way, Simba the Lion King. Where you from? Okay, I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes, and then I do have to go. I need to work the horses today in this freaking heat. It'll be fine. I'll be fine. Hey, Luke! Double your lot size. You have to eat more either if you fail or wait. Ricky, that is, yeah, that's the plan. Well, I say the plan. Let's see what New York brings. I'm done for London session. Hopefully New York has some decent stuff. That's the hope. The hope anyways. And then we can go from there. Then hi, they will know. Got it, they'll know exactly who I'm talking about. Thanks. Moroccan living, Korea trading, but damn, Simba, that's cool. Kamita is thinking long. I was looking at long now. However, I wouldn't hate to see it come down here, but it might not. Okay, but then let me call it. Because now it is just consolidating. You think it's gonna move 150 points up, Raj? That's hectic. How do you know? Well, how do you know? What makes you say that? Rip, do you need like evidence? I will film it for you. Okay, I promise. I will film it for you. Be like, Rip says hi. They'll be very confused, but I'll do it. What if tomorrow is short and today is long? Archimedes, tomorrow? Oh, sorry. Depends on where you are. I'm like, New York is still today for me. Thanks, Jules. Thanks, Hud. Thanks, Mike. Okie dokie. I'm then gonna call it, guys. Sorry, I know today was not the most interesting. No, they'll not be confused, you silly. It's not a silly duck. It's a silly goose. You lucky duck, you. Okay. Then yes, I will call it. You guys were amazing. Thank you for joining. Again, sorry it was a bit of a bleh session. But we still have New York. Thank you. Okay. We still have New York session. Let's get this in New York. I'm quite excited. I'm feeling, you know what? Regardless of what happens, New York, we are going to make it good. Ricky, why don't you just gamble it? Gamble what? Ricky? Ricky? Gamble what? That sounds like a bad idea. You know, pop me a Okay. Again, guys, thank you for the support. Please don't forget to like the stream, subscribe if you haven't, and if you do want to show some extra support, you can use my affiliate code. It's TeachMaya, capital letters, with all of the prop firms in my description below. And there might be some more exciting times coming, to be confirmed. Okay, but I love you guys madly. Thank you for the ongoing support. You guys are amazing. Chat in Discord, right? Yeah. See you New York Open. Hell yeah. I love you guys. Bye.